So the initial plan was going to be, you know, the crater with lava 20 meters down without any smoke. You know, this would have been perfect for that, but it just hasn't worked out like that for us. It's way too smoky where we want to go, and within seconds I'll just lose visibility. So I've got we're getting a tiny bit of clearance with the smoke on this side, but it looks quite scary because the smoke's actually going back down. Okay, everyone happy?
But that is also a window.
Okay, I'm going up. Where's our we clear?
Okay, cables swinging, clear to the ground, plus 2 meters, lift. Over now, penduluming quite a lot though, I think. Yeah, if you drop down now, you'll be in.
No idea, no visibility. Shit. Everyone keep eyes. Got no visibility whatsoever. Everyone pay attention, we've got no visibility on this.
Do you want me to ditch the...
Have we got any video?
No, negative.
So fucking stupid. Lost it. I'm just going to have to push it away from this, I'm afraid, sorry.
Well, we lost the lava zone, unfortunately. The conditions were absolutely horrendous.
Bon, et ben je crois qu'on y est. Plus aucun signe de vie, plus aucun son. Je crois que le drone, effectivement, ils l'ont perdu. Il a dû partir vers un flanc